Okay, so here's why God wins creature wars. When I first had to move in here, I told God there wasn't enough dirt to garden and that I could never live here. And he was wrong. I told God. So, for 10 years, I've been digging dirt because there's these creatures called voles. They're not moles, they're voles. And they dig tunnels and they go through where there's worms and they eat the worms. They don't eat the vegetables, they eat the worms. So, but they cut the tap roots and your plants fall over. So you have to dig down to where they're and find the tunnel and then set a trap. I don't know if this will steam up or not. We'll find out. You find the tunnel and set a trap. No bait, just a trap. And kill them when they get in here, which is like once or twice a year one will find its way in here. And does this look like a war zone? That's garlic, kale, beets. It ate the, well, okay. That's berry sea kale. It's blue kale. That's red kale. Russian red jack kale. So you find the tunnel and set a trap. It frosted 2 days ago. So goodbye, zucchini. Have a nice winter. Woohoo! So I've been digging dirt for 10 years trying to have creature war with the voles. I've moved that much dirt, and you dig down to granite, and they won't cross granite because of the foxes that live in the cave up there. The red foxes eat the voles. So you dig down to granite, and they won't cross granite usually, but every once in a while. But maybe do I sound insane? You have to find the egress and dig down to granite. This, see, they were coming from the neighbor's yard. Not anymore. Okay, so God always wins creature wars. God's always right. He knows what's going on, but he deals with each of us individually, not in groups. Never groups. The grouping thing is really stupid. Stupid people do the grouping thing. So it's each of us on our own with God. So don't worry about seeing the hand of God in other people. You just mind your own business like the Bible says. Work out your own salvation with fear and trembling, because he gives each one of us what we need, not in groups, like Americans or, I don't know, groups are stupid. Each of us individually gets to answer to God and fall on our knees and say, well, you were right, God, there's plenty of dirt here to garden. It's that simple. And he's, it's oceans of mercy. God is so forgiving, because when we get to glory, we get to watch videos of everybody else's life. And if you're good, they cut out the bad parts of yours. And it's not just pictures. We get to know how people felt when they were digging dirt. Every shovelful of dirt for 10 years, I think of how wrong I was and how right God was about living here. So this is baby garlic. Oh, so back to work. But that's the news. God wins, because he knows what's going on with each one of us. Each one of us. All right. Enough preaching. Ah, it is so nice here. I just pinch myself all day long. Okay. Oh, well, it's October. I don't know what day it is. The war is going really well. 'Cause, it's about God. It's not about people. What we think is right. God's so smart. Okay, bye.